Understanding overtime in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the word overtime. This is a word that you might have heard in different contexts. And today, we're going to explore its meanings and how you can use it in sentences. So, let's get started. Overtime refers to time worked beyond the regular working hours. In many jobs, there are standard working hours, like 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If an employee works beyond these hours, they are working overtime. This term is commonly used in professional settings, and it can also mean the additional pay that someone gets for working extra hours. For example, she had to work overtime to finish the project. He received an overtime bonus for working late. In sports, overtime has a slightly different meaning. It refers to an extra period of play added to a game if the score is tied at the end of the regular time. This is done to determine a winner. So, when you hear someone say, "The game went into overtime," it means that the game continued beyond its normal duration. Here are a couple of examples. The basketball game was so intense that it went into overtime. They won the match in overtime. Now that we've covered the main meanings of overtime, let's focus on how you can use it in sentences. Remember, context is key when using this word. Here are some examples. I have to work overtime this week to meet the project deadline. The workers are demanding higher overtime pay. Overtime is common during the busy season. And that wraps up our video for today. We hope this has helped clarify the meaning and use of overtime in English. Whether you're in a workplace setting or enjoying a sports game, now you'll know exactly what this term means. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences, and as always, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.